Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We were here last night, y'all know that. Now we're back. Now we're back. I've done some trading, just haven't really ran up a crazy P&L, but we have done some trading. Pretty much yesterday's sell-off completely recovered. Just completely recovered. What's good, Chad? William, Blaze, Oscar, Nick, Christian. Welcome in, y'all. Yeah, dude. Massive sell-off, just typical bad news gets bought, right? Off equal lows on the hourly support. Still in a wider range, but for the most part, this entire sell-off got saved. Let's see. I think it was like 400 points off of last night's lows. We're about 400 points higher. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Man, it's hard to believe that I was trying to take longs in here. Imagine if you just took it, got break even, and then just held it. You know what I mean? Imagine that. That would be crazy. All right. So, yeah, we're pulling up on this must have been Thursday's session. We had a big range Thursday. So we have consolidation up above, I guess it's high 800s that maybe this market can slow down at. But right now it's just ripping higher. Ripping higher. It did not. It did not. Gold was setting up nice, too. I think gold still looks okay. It's still kind of holding, but I don't think it's going to move for us today. I'm going to play with it Sunday. But tonight, or sorry, today, let's just trade in Q if we can. Coming off support here. Like we said, we're 400 points deep into this rally. I'm interested to see if this starts to pick up some more volume, if we can run into this next range in the 80s, or if we start to maybe range a bit. Like, are we going to see a breakout, or is it just going to be a slow bleed into the close? Market's recovering, though. It's 50s, new high day. I think the daily, yeah, look at the, oh, sorry. This is the daily here. Massive wick. Like, look at the daily. Look at the wick on the daily. It's insane. Flipping this daily candle green would be a move back above 910. So call it another 60 points, but it's just crazy. Just a crazy, crazy move. The daily candle, 400 point wick on the daily. Off of support right here. Man, if we bought it yesterday and just held, and just trust that the V-shaped team is going to come save this shit, because it always does. No, but I mean, we are pretty extended here. Not to say the markets can't just continue to bleed up, but if I see like a little sell scalp, I might try it. But check out gold. I don't think gold's doing much. Yeah, gold not doing much. It was a decent little bounce off 39, but NQ pulling back like 20 points off the highs. It's a cap on payouts. No cap, bro. No cap. There is no cap. That's the good news. No cap. Yeah, I bet y'all are happy now. Probably found you someone new. Got his life all figured out. And as strong as this look, man, it's, you guys know how I operate. It's hard to get long in this damn market. 400 points higher, where this could find some rejection, but we can't lie. It's just a crazy, crazy strong market. It's really a crazy strong market. But we're not really breaking away. We are just kind of bleeding up. So if we take fresh high day, then we can get like a nice 10, 20, 30 point retracement. If it turns into something bigger, awesome. But it's not really a breakaway market at the moment. It is a strong bleed up market, but not a breakaway market. So if structure builds to the upside and looks like we get a pullback, I might try to play it. I wouldn't mind if we can start to kind of form even like a little wedge here would be awesome. I would love to trade like a wedge. But we'll see. Nasdaq shortcoming. I might try it, but I'm not gonna have high hopes. I might try some scalps, but that's about it. This market still looks strong as hell. We very well could just bleed up. I mean, what realistically, we've already came off 400 points off support. Yesterday's highs, another 100 points higher. It's not impossible. Not impossible. It's not like it's for a lack of volume. Plenty of volume. I mean, what could a Friday rally look like? I'm thinking back to, man, when we had in the beginning of the big NQ sell-off, when the markets were really selling off, we had a Friday. It happened on a Friday, and we saw like a 5% down day on a Friday. Can we see this? What is NQ current? NQ is 0.35 in the red. I mean, NQ could go green. NQ could certainly go green. I think green flips 910, flips us green. Yeah, 910. So we're looking at if the daily goes green and if we flip green on the day, another 60 points of upside. Not impossible. Not impossible. Definitely not. And it's not common, but you can see Fridays that just, are so strong and give you a lot. A lot. Little pullback off a fresh high day, 55. Yeah. If NQ goes green, it's going to be up here at 910. And if we can get to 910, we're damn near back into yesterday's highs. And so, I mean, it could certainly happen. Market's certainly not selling at the moment. What's good, SW, Derwin? Yep. Just let him talk. I mean, we have almost fully recovered the entire move. Pretty much fully recovered the entire move. Like, do I want to try that? Do I want to try that? I don't mind putting some volume into the market and throwing a couple orders into it in a bit of a faster pace, right? I might try. If we can get a little trend line bounce, I'll try it. Try it long for, I guess, back to the highs. I'm down to try it out. Yo, what's good, Cav? Strong market here. It didn't give me the trend line touch. I don't want to catch it right in the middle. Hey, appreciate you, Darwin. Appreciate you. I know, right? We all have that like itch on our brain. Well, like I've been saying it every time I go on stream. I say this is just full. Like the markets, every dip is getting bought in the market, and then some. You know, so it's like I know that. That's what I was saying yesterday. Like I knew this looks horrible, right? Israel strikes Iran just looks horrible. 400-point sell off, but too extended to that point, and also we are. Even though this looks like shit, we've seen moves like this, man, in the past, and it just V-shapes. That's the kind of environment we're in at the moment. So I'm trying to remember that, you know, just V-shaped markets, V-shaped markets, V-shaped markets. That's the environment we are in at the moment. That is how the market is playing. Big dips get bought. Big dips get bought. And this market looks like it has potential to bleed into the 900s. Lights down, let's get right down. A pop into the 900s will flip us green on the day, and it would also be a move back into yesterday's range. Could we get past 9? Can we get back to 22,000? I'm not shitting you. We could. It's not. It's rare, but it could happen. Like, where can I get into this market at? It's not giving me the trend line touch, is it? I want you in the worst way. This doesn't feel like a good entry. It doesn't feel like a premium entry. As much as I believe this can break into new highs and starts to bleed up, that doesn't feel like a good entry to me. Slip off those wings, I want you in the worst way. If I get into it, I probably want to give it a pretty wide stop because I feel like this has a lot of room. Should go higher. I'd probably want to stop it out if we break 800. I'd probably want to stop it out. I know that's a big stop though. So maybe use less size. What is, yeah, that's a 8. Okay, it's like a $200 risk. Stop it out if we break 800. I'll accept that risk. Only 3 micros. Look, markets are 400 points higher. If I'm going to get long, it's not going to be with a lot of size. That's just the case right now. And I'll look for a fresh high day break. Try to take it off and get back in, I guess. Preferably. Like shorts here, fair value gap on high time frame. I hear you, brother. I don't trade fair value gaps, though. I don't trade fair value gaps. Is Top Step X only available on Top Step? There's a couple prop firms that use the it's called Project X. That there's a couple prop firms, but Top Step X is definitely one of the better prop firms that have it. I would like to see these markets bleed into green. Really. Green, we flip green at like 9:15. Could have been better entry, but if it is a bleed up market, I just want to get into it. Yeah, Trade Day has it too. They're pretty good. What's good, Cut? Welcome in, brother. Long night. Long night. Traded to like 4. I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you. If there's some setups, you know. I guess at some point NQ overnight really had a nice little run up, I guess, into the London Open, maybe. These markets bleed up until I get in, then we fucking dip out. That's how it goes, isn't it? That's about how it goes. Goat funded. Yeah, I don't know, Chad. I think just use Top Step. I think we should use Top Step before we use Goat funded. I should fuck myself. Get it out. Should have waited for the trend line test anyhow. Typical market. As soon as I get into this shit, we fucking dip through the trend line. It's just wonderful, really. I don't know. I mean, this thing's been bleeding up for 3 hours. As soon as I try to take a bite out of it, right? Just typical, right? So typical. So typical. So typical. It's wonderful, really. It's silly, yeah. Why does this keep moving? Yeah, it's funny how that works, isn't it? Well, we're into equal lows now. Looks a little rough. See, this is the thing with it. It's like the last thing I want to do is get in too late, you know? Because as soon as you get in too late, this shit'll happen to you. Well, I guess that's not valid anymore, is it? This trade's starting to feel like a flop. I thought we could keep bleeding up with limited pullbacks. This trade's feeling like a flop. We'll see. We'll see. It's at support. It needs to hold. Looks like it probably don't want to, though. Nothing. I guess the entry's a little fucking high in it, chat. I mean, we are 450 points higher, and I'm taking a buy 20 points under high a day. No, sorry, 10 points under high a day. Maybe I'm a dumbass. Maybe I'm a dumbass that takes shitty entries. Well, if we do take high day, I'm looking for a run up into the 900s for the daily to flip green here. I feel like we're about to get stop ran. Heart's on a bender, never be sober. Me, baby, that's all I need. I was in love last night. Well, we're in bleed up markets. Can we get breakout markets? We need a little 60-point run up with volume to take this green on the day. We are flirting with the idea of turning green on the day at 9-10. Really would love to see that. Really would. Really would. Never be sober. No, you're right, dude. And also, there's like a certain theory about markets where it's like, especially I feel like war-related markets, when you see like bullish sentiment like this, it's just a bleed up and we're pulling into, you know, previous day highs, and there's a lot of structure here to pull into, and all of retail is just so bearish on the fact that like, oh, it's the weekend, anything, World War III could happen over the weekend, we're gonna sell, just create so much liquidity for this market to do the exact opposite. That shit's gonna dump, bro. Trust. I hope you're wrong. What did Crude end up doing? Oh shit, Crude gave it all back.
Welcome back, kid. Yeah. Something like that.
If we start to run up, I really wouldn't mind sizing into it. Even though the entry's not great. As long as I can size into it and keep the stop break even. Because like if we get a break into these new highs and we start to run a bit and maybe get to that 900 run, I would like to add on like little pullbacks, but it's going to bring the entry up and I still want to stay break even. I don't want to go red if I'm adding into it, especially this high. But I would not mind putting some size into it as long as I can do it in a way that, you know, in a way that I don't go red, pretty much. So I need this to clear highs by a little bit, then give me a little pullback. I'll add into it, anticipating a bounce for higher. And if it continues, my entry will come up, and if it continues bleeding, my entry will come up off of that, and it'll stop me, and it'll just be a shit trade. But objective one is to take the high day, right? Let's see. Then we maybe attempt to run through 900s. Don't love how we're hanging out low 800s. Entry could have been better. We all know that. Good God. Entry could have been a hell of a lot better. One more time, if you let me to the end of the line, yeah, I've been running so damn long. Settle me down. You can take me out. Take me the fuck out, bro. I'm over it. Just take me out before I get pissed off. Take me out of this fucking market. We bleed up for 5 fucking hours. Just take me out of the market. I'll get back into it. Take me out. Take me out. I give up. I give up. Take me out. Take me out. Take me out. Take me out. They can settle me down. Why don't you close? Well, why would I close? Because it go down? Because I close because it goes down? No. Why don't you close if you know? I don't know anything. This market should hold support right here, but I don't know. No, I guess it's a good question. I mean, it's not. I don't know anything. I know that this is support and my stop's under it, and markets have been tearing higher. And we may have a potential run to a red to green move here. So yeah, I'm just in it and just a little frustrated with myself with this shitty entry. That's all. Just yapping a bit. A lot of my trading, I take a lot of pride in like getting the lowest possible entries in situations like this, and this was not good. That's how it works, though. Like, as soon as this triggers me mentally where it's like, okay, this is just bleed up. This is just bleed up, no pullbacks. As soon as I start thinking that way, we start to pull back. This is gonna crack with volume here. See what the pullback looks like. I might re-enter. Might re-enter. I'd want to see it under 800, though. I'm not touching gold. Gold is not going to get any volume, I don't think. Gold's pretty flat. Shitty entry. Holy fuck. That's horrible. That is horrible. This thing is just losing its bid entirely here. Bleeding down, no buyers. Last attempt, hold 800s. I'm still bullish on it. Even if I get taken out, I'll look for new structure, new support to form, and then I'll get back in it. But I need to see it pull a little bit further off 800s. It's holding at the moment. I mean, it's strong markets, man. It's strong markets. It's strong markets. Cozy. I wonder if this runs all the way back to the highs here with volume. 30-point run up here. Do I want to add? I don't know if I want to add. Keep the stop where it's at and add, maybe. It's holding 800s. 20-point bounce is no joke. I added 3 more. We'll see. Go gray on the day if we lose this one. I added 3 more. Average down. Boom. 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 Might have been kissing on you, but she said she knew about me. Her eyes were open wide. Take a short. Okay, good luck. Good luck. But she was for me. I gotta unplug this shit. I was actually thinking about locking out. What the fuck? The VWAP just spawned in. I was actually thinking about locking out. Cause we made yesterday's stream. We made money last night. I should have just locked out. And I'm in a position where I might give it back here and go gray. Yeah, we might see 790s, 780s here. Very possible. Very possible. And if we do, I don't really know what the trade is. Like, to me, sentiment's still very bullish. It's still bleeding up. It's pretty much holding support at the moment. If we break here, I don't know if I'll really look to short it. I really wouldn't look to short it. This retreat, we pretty much cleared the entire sell-off, so I would look for markets to settle and then go long again. Maybe that sets up better into the close. I don't know. Not looking great right now, though, huh? See, 15-minute candles closing here. Right here, this is gonna be your 15-minute candle close to the left. Pretty weak. We might pop the stop here. I mean, it just seems like buyers stepped away from the market completely. Like, where'd the buyers go? Where did the buyers go? We're gonna get ran here. Hi. I've been having good luck with my stops not getting ran. I'm not gonna lie. I've been having pretty good luck. This don't look good though. A couple points. This don't look good though. A couple points. Like I said, I've been having great luck with my stops not getting ran. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. It's fucking crazy, man. We just bleed up, and now buyers have completely left. Completely left the market. Yeah, I've been having decent luck with my stops not getting ran, but that might change. That might change right now. Yeah, if this trade didn't work out, I don't know if there's a trade for me. I don't really see anything else. Kind of want this first low to hold and the NQ to run into 900s. That's really the only trade I see. I mean, maybe it could dip lower and still make that move, but I would love to see this hold something. Fuck, it's horrible. Horrible trade. Sorry, y'all. It's a bad trade. I mean, my eyes, it was a decent trade. No real reason for the market to pull back right here. I might try it again, but I'm gonna let it clear some of these lows here. Price sells off is the 4th Friday in a row where it sells before close. Okay, bet. I don't know. Really bullish. Buyers have just really stepped out of it. Really stepped out of it. Still holding that 800 level at the moment. I still want to go long on it. I still want to get smoked, you know? I could try it long again. Stops at 780. Ugh. Do I want to? Kind of do. Even though I just got stopped out. I mean, it's pretty controlled selling. We just need to see buyers step into it again. It's not like the Armageddon pullback. We're looking at like a 50-point pullback. It's not that bad. In the grand scheme of things, it's not that bad. I'd have to stop it out under 80s if I get long on it. Don't do it. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. I'm gonna do it. Stops under 80s. Still looking for 900. Call me a psychopath. Call me a psychopath. Boats on the bed, we ain't leaving this room. Okay, how should I approach this? Should I get in and sell and then get back in if it retraces back down? Should I do some scalping on the way up? Probably not. Probably not. No, I'm gonna trust this one, maybe. Trust this one. Yeah, I'm looking for 900. I'm looking for a 900. Or sorry, yeah, 900. That's what I'm fucking looking for. I don't know if I want to kind of cut some and then get back in if we can. Really depends how quickly we move off this low, right? I don't know. I think, yeah, okay, there's, okay, nice. 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 Oh, I don't love that. You gotta hold that pop a little bit. Don't give it all back. Don't give it all back. I could scale out some and try to get back into 5 more. Like I could take some off on the pop above 20 and get back in. It's a nice little dip buy, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Yeah, dude, I'm still looking for 900s here. This is my level. I'm looking for 900s, and I want to see us reclaim yesterday's range. So I'm looking for 110 points on this trade with 20 points at risk. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm gonna get. Damn it. Okay, that's what I'm gonna get. Believe me, don't believe me, I don't give a shit. This is a red to green flip at 909. That is a red to green flip on the day. Believe me, don't believe me, I don't care. I'm just kidding, don't believe me. Probably wrong. Digging the song? I think it's Kojo Dirt Cheap. Cody Johnson Dirt Cheap. Best buddies Baird. Who said it would be the 4th Friday in a row if we close red? I like to look at things like that. Y'all probably think that's like a speculation thing. I really do. Like if we have 3 or 4 Fridays that have closed red, I like to look for that to break, really. As silly as that sounds, like the more Fridays we have that sell off, the less likely it is that the next will. That's how I look at it. I don't know how y'all look at the statistics like that, but that's how I look at it. What a great trade so far. Let's go. Let's go. Nice pop. Happy fucking Friday. Happy Friday, man. Happy Friday. I think we have it. I think we got the fish on the hook.
Everything that is important to me is here.
Morgan's new album? You know what? I think he comes out with a lot of music, and I can't even keep up with it. He comes out with a stupid amount of music. Let me pull it up. Morgan Wallen, new album.
Bad. When did you get here?
Hi, Dad.
I'm the pro. Yeah, I like these songs. I was listening to these. Yeah, he's got some good music. He comes out with a lot of music, though. Like, every day he's got a new song. Nah, we got a good trade here. 100%. 100% great trade. We have a great trade. High day breaks another 20 points to the upside. I'm looking for markets to run 9-10 and flip green. I got better since you got gone. Chat, we have 15 likes on the live stream. Do y'all mind? Please. Love y'all, but please, 15 likes. It's really not that hard to like it. Strugel Simpson. Who is Strugel? Am I pronouncing that right? Strugel Simpson. What does BPC stand for? I don't know. We should think of something. It's my initials, but we should think of like a trading related sequence of wow, awesome. 40's popping. No pullbacks. Running into high day with volume. That's what we like to see, baby. All right, tighten the risk up, obviously, at this point. Not going to go break even yet, but tighten the risk up. If we retest these lows, likely see continuation to the downside, so I'm going to tighten the risk up. You got. Break a new high day, I'll go break even. Beer pong champ. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. I will trim 5 and then trail stops if we get... I'll trim 5 and trail stops if we break high a day. So at above 60s, I'm looking to take probably half off, and then I'll trail the other half in profit. Big profit champ. Best profitable champ. Beautiful price correction. BPC strat, beautiful price correction. Beautiful price correlation. Banger price correction. All right, we're gonna go break even at this point. I feel comfortable going break even just under high a day, so we'll go break even. Hopefully this works out. All we can do now is hope. Hope and pray, hope and pray. I mean, we are just under high day. Hey, I appreciate everybody who did like it. We are just under high day. There's not much, I mean, there's just not much that we can do except wait and see, you know? There's just not much that we can do to control it, chat. There really isn't. There really isn't. All we can do is hope and pray, and hope and pray. Yeah, we flip green. If we break into the 900s, we'll flip, the daily will flip green, which looks possible. Hopefully this dip can hold. I really do hope it can hold. Otherwise, we just continue to range. Hopefully we can hold. We held every other high that we broke into today. Can we hold this high? Can we hold this high? I don't love the doji. Really don't love the doji. Really don't love the pullback we're seeing. Ugh. Maybe I should have trimmed some in the 40s. See, dude, if this goes break even, I'm just gonna fucking jump off the banister of the staircase right here. I'll jump off the fucking banister. I will jump from the, you know what I mean? Off the second story, bro. If this shit takes me at break even. I will go on a little fucking, little cliff dive. I'm gonna lose my shit, man. I'm gonna lose my shit. If this takes me out break even, I'm gonna jump over the banister. Yeah, I really will. I will too. There's a couch down there. I'll try to land on it, but I'm jumping over the fucking banister if this goes break even. We want to move up until I get long, and then we just want to range about. Just horrible. I have a huge sell limit. What do you mean by huge? This is fucking horrible. We just fuck, man. Fuck. Son of a bitch. Should have taken partials. But I mean, this looked so good. Just a perfect bounce off 800s, and then we were at this point only like 10 points off a high day break. So it's like, let me just see. Next thing I know, I hold, we dip, I hold, we dip, I hold, we dip, I hold, we dip, and then next thing I know, I'm out of this bitch break even. Which is just gonna ruin my fucking weekend, man. It'll ruin my weekend. Trying to have faith in this thing, and it just keeps dipping. Keeps dipping. I don't even like it in the 20s. I wish we never saw the 20s. But there needs to be some move here. That is not Post Malone. That is not Post Malone. What am I listening to right there? Because that sure as shit ain't Post Malone. Chad, I'm starting to really not like this. I just don't like the structure we're seeing off the highs here. Don't like it. I'm looking to be proven wrong, but I don't like this shit. I mean, if this doesn't hold 20s, we likely fill in the lows of the range and test my stop. I'm not trying to overanalyze, but it's not something I love. It's not something I love. That song's no, the song is, but that was not Post Malone. That was like a cover. I think the best thing to do right now would be take a nap and not even look at it. I've got my take profit on. Just take a nap, right? I don't like how we're rejecting off a lower high of 30s. Just hate it. Hate the price action. Hate the price action. Hate it. I want to cover. Like, my gut's telling me to cover. I'm emotional, I think, right now, Chad. I think I'm a little emotional right now. On a scale of 1 to emotional, I think I'm feeling emotional. I'm feeling emotional. I'm feeling like I really want to cover 5 because this really feels like it fails. I would have liked to see it just move all the way back into the highs off this leg. Like, this is a move where I don't feel like we should be giving buyers a second chance to get in on a dip. It feels like a fake out is what it feels like. Should we run a poll? Yeah, I feel like this is going to take me out. No, but I could at least partial. Like this I really don't like this price action. I really don't fucking like this price action. This feels like it fails. Like, this leg should have went all the way into the highs. And then maybe a little, like a couple point dip. But no, this coming back to neckline just more so feels like it's going to fill in the range. I really don't like it. I really don't like it. Now at equal lows, 22 is surely going to break. We're going to see 20s here. Yeah, fuck me. I should have partialed. This thing just doesn't look good. This thing just doesn't look good. At this point, who gives a fuck? It's 5-10 points. I was thinking about it at the 30s, but I mean, for now to partial out feels pointless. Now I really will just hold until I get stopped out. I'm a dickhead. Should have taken some, I guess, at high day. But it was looking so good. It really was. This was a full V shape. It was looking great. I don't think we're going to get shit out of this trade, chat. I'm going to be honest. I don't think we're going to get a fucking thing out of it. It's just buyers have left again. Buyers have left again. They give you a nice little 60-point run, but then they leave you. They leave you stranded. This pullback's too deep. Too deep. Would you still like if it double bottoms? I wouldn't like, I mean... I would like it to run back to high day right fucking now. That's what I would like. Anything else I don't like. Anything else, I know I'm going to go try to enjoy my weekend. No, brother, I just traded last night. The buyers have left again. They have totally left again. Totally left again. Oh, GG's, chat. GG's. GG's. This will break 800s here, I'm sure of it. Just makes me want to flip my fucking desk over. I'm so serious.
Don't ask for my number, and I won't ask for yours. Some things are best left alone. So just kiss me again, like this never ends. Like there's no one waiting at home.
This is fucking unbelievable, man.
And tell me you love me. Tell me you need me.
Yo, what's good, Tyler, brother? I mean, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, man. I mean, I'm glad I'm not red on the day, but like, shit. It actually makes me want to just fucking rage out. It's just so painful to hold this up 800 and then just, oh god, I fucking hate that. I hate that. I really do. Revenge time? Yeah, we're close. We're close. I give a couple minutes and I'll be in a revenge trade. Oh, man. I mean, is the move still possible? Maybe we wait till power hour. I don't know. This looks like shit. Oh, there's follow through the first 400 fucking points, but as soon as we get long, it wants to shit the bed. But no, that's not true. There is follow through in this market. It's just whenever we want to get into the market, it wants to shit the bed. It doesn't want to give us follow through then. But it'll give us follow through at fucking 3 a.m. when I'm sound asleep. Unbelievable. See money, take money type shit. Yeah, well, I really did like it. I did. And the move into the 40s looked real good too. But this pullback had me questioning. I should have partialed a little bit. Not like it would have been a great trade there. But to take 20 points out of it would have been nice. Why not lock in profit when the scene goes? I mean, it's easy to say that in hindsight for sure. But if I mean, that's a probability thing. Like if I always take green when I see green, then I'm fucking up my RR, and eventually there's no promise that I'll make money at the end of the day if I continuously do that, right? If I have a trade that I have an idea for it to run into the 900s and I just take it off every time, then I'm tweaking my, you know what I mean? Like everything's like there's no track record there or anything. If I just see green and take green every time. Although, yeah, sometimes I am quick to cut something if I see price action, but I don't know. All right, market's pulling back. Yeah, I mean, we were up a good chunk. Good chunk. Good chunk we were up, damn it. Why not shorting? I don't see anything that tells me to short it. I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Hardwood floors with dusted up boards, spinning all night.
All right, we're back. I still don't hate it. Still don't hate it, but I really would like to see like an end-of-day run-up into these highs, 900s. Here's a little pullback. Let me see what this looks like on like the, what are we on here? The 15-minute doesn't look horrible if we leave wick 80s. I still want to fucking try it. If I can try it and get break even and just let it run, even if it'll stop me out a couple times, like I'm open to the idea. I really am open to that idea. But God, is it being a pain in the ass. It really is. Support of the 80s, reclaiming 800s. I want to fucking try it again. I don't call it a revenge trade. I do want to try it again, but I'm not really calling it a revenge trade. It's just the same setup. You know what I mean? If I can have the same risk on it, like if I'm getting stop break even, I don't feel like it's a revenge trade if it still hasn't invalidated that. You know what I mean? Like, look at this. 25 point bounce off support, holding. I really would like to try it again. Let me see what this pullback looks like. No, you can't trade you can't hold a trade over the weekend. No, you can't.
Well, I've heard those city singers singing about how they can love deeper than the oceans, higher than the stars above. Well, I come from the country and I know I ain't seen it all, but I heard that ocean salty and the stars.
I really know. I really do think.
And that would not do justice to the way I feel for you.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
So I had to sing a song about all the things I knew.
If I got in again, I would have to stop it under 70.
Love is deeper than the holler, stronger than
Don't like that pullback though. Don't like that pullback though.
the pine trees growing tall upon the
This fucking song goes hard, man. Come on.
than the snowflakes
Turn this shit up.
that fall in late December, and honest as a robin on
I'm gonna catch this trade, whether you like it or not.
and longer than the song of a whippoorwill.
I'm gonna catch this shit, whether you like it or not.
From the back roads to the Broadway shows with 1,000,000 miles between, there's at least 1,000,000 love songs that people love to sing. And everyone is different, and everyone's the same. And this is just another way of saying the same thing. My love is deeper than the holler, stronger than the river, higher than the pine trees growing tall.
I still have the same idea.
My love
Just waiting to find support. Then I will take it long.
that fall in late December, and honest as a robin on the springtime windowsill, and longer than the song of a whippoorwill. My love is deeper than the holler, stronger than the river, higher than the pine trees growing tall upon the hill. My love is purer than the snowflakes that fall in late December, and honest as a robin on a springtime windowsill, and longer
Support off
than the
30s.
song of a whippoorwill.
Little wick on the 15. This is kind of what I want to see.
A whippoorwill.
It would have to stop. Would have to be Under 30s though. Alright, I'll try again. Holy shit, I didn't realize it was that big. $1,000 risk. Take it on the chin like a champ. We will take it on the chin like a champ. If it happens, it happens. $1,000 risk. No risk, no raw rate. Still the same thing. Want to see 900s. Maybe this time I'll scale out of some and add back in though on the move up. Maybe. We'll see. Jackie's back in Old Tennessee. Waiting on a broken heart like me. Somewhere around, I can always chase you down. Need a reclaim of 800 first. My God, what? Why my God? The time that bottle's empty. You appear sitting right here with me, and I'll stay till closing time. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. But as long as Kentucky's making bourbon, Jackie's back in Old Tennessee. Too far gone if there's square road down in Dallas. Waiting on a broken heart like me. I watch those goodbye tail lights fading on out of town. But as long as there's a bottle of something somewhere around, I can always chase you down. Need to reclaim 800, baby girl. Foolish guy. Why are you calling me foolish, bro? Asshole. 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 Okay, there's volatility. I gotta break even. I don't know what that's about. I see volatility. I gotta break even. Fuck that. I'm not about to get wicked out of something I have no control over. This is an organic trade up until the point of that, right? This is organic, a market structure trade, right? This is a sentiment trade. This is just me trading the price at. As soon as I see that, I'm going break even. Fuck that. Even if it rockets, right? No, right? This is algos manipulating the fuck out of the price, and I don't want any of it. I don't want any of it. I don't want this to leave a wick at my entry and then bullshit. I'm fucking break even on that bad boy. Bullshit. I didn't even get really good fill, but I'm partialing and breaking even. I don't, you know what I mean? I do not like that. Even if it's in my direction, I really don't like that. And now look, it's not even holding 800. It might go take me out again. It'll be a winning trade. Just, I mean, I popped out partials and then we're break even now. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't give a fuck if it pops 100 points in my direction. I'm immediately partialing and going break even 100% of the time right there. Because this is just pure manipulation. About to do some bullshit. Hopefully run through the highs, but I'm not going to risk it. Hopefully we can stay in this trade and see it through, baby girl. Baby girl. Hopefully we can stay in this trade and see it through, chat. I'm going to give it room because I really don't want to try to re-enter. I'm going to give it as much room as I can. I would love for us to stay in this trade. I don't know if we will, though, because it seems to be bleeding with no bid off that pop. Bleeding down, no bid. Hopefully it works out, though, yeah. Hopefully it works out. Baby girl. Let me see you twirl. Okay, so you're telling me we have 830s and then now there's no buyers. That's yeah, I mean, there's a stop out. I don't know what the fuck we're doing here, but that's why I go break even on shit like that. Just pure algo manipulation. We pop 30s and then sell off 50 points and there's no buyers, right? There's no more buyers. At least not until now. We'll see if it can pop through 90s again. He is all alone. Lord knows I need a queen. Oh. Baby, I'll bet you're happy now. Probably found you someone new who's got his life all figured out. And as for me, I stay locked up in this whole bedroom, writing songs for you, thinking about us. Girl, I thought, can NQ run to green? Green would be a 900 break. It would flip green on the daily above 900. Knew it was love. I guess I didn't know what love was. Yeah. All right, if this one stops me, I'll break even. I'm gonna jump over the banister. For real this time. I'm gonna jump over the banister. Dude, my mustache is coming in, man. It's coming in. A mustache is coming in, baby. Look at the mustache coming in. Good little stash right there. Yeah, I'm gonna snap. I'm gonna break something if this fucking doesn't work. I'm gonna break something. No continuation of the upside. I still think that we were setting up for something like that in Power Hour, but I can't seem to get the timing on it right. I'm gonna jump over the banister and grab onto the chandelier. We just get like a 40-point pop that just pretty much just gets faded back into the 90s. It's just... I don't know. It doesn't look good. If this trade didn't work out, I don't know if I want to touch this market anymore. I feel like I've... The longer I play with this market and it doesn't give me what I want, the more likely I am to take a loss on it. I've been fortunate to get moves to the upside and then try to get break even and see if it goes. And it's at the moment it's not going. This doesn't look good. This looks like it'll take 80s out. A little 40-point pop that just disappeared. Just disappeared. Hate to see it. Short time, I'm definitely not going to sell it either, though. That's the thing. I'm definitely not going to sell it either. Having said that, we likely get stopped. I mean, this is very, very... Doesn't look good, does it? Well, at least we're green on the day at the moment. Yeah, there you go. Take me out real quick. Take me out to the ball game. I mean, how do we trade this without ripping our hair out? This right here, this. Like, how do we actually trade this without ripping? You know? The fuck? Alright, maybe new lows? I don't know. Why not just take profit? I already did take some profit, bro. Man, y'all, I don't know, man. Hey, it's not an offensive question, but Angel, over the span of 30 days, if every time you get in a trade, over the span of 30 days, maybe it'll work a day or 2 or 3, right? But over a span of 30 days, if every time you're in a trade and you know, you're fortunate enough to get green on it, and you just take it because it's green, like, what does that look like over 30 days? Accounting for the losses, like accounting for full-size losses, right? Say you run a 20-point stop, standard. What does that look like if every time you're 5-10 points green, you just take it off, right? And then, but you're taking full-size losses. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work on paper. It just doesn't work on paper. Like if the trade's set up for me based on sentiment and structure and whatever it is, price action, and I have a level here, and I would like to see price move through high day and into the 900s, then what has changed to where, okay, just because it's green now fuck that idea, I'm just gonna take it because it's green. You know what I mean? Like, what has changed? You know, what has changed? Like, if I'm here long and I'm looking for a trade here, then just because it's green, what has changed to where now mentally I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take the money and run? Like, what has changed? Nothing has changed. No, I didn't think it's not an offensive question. I get that question a lot, and I feel like some people need to hear that. I feel like some people need to hear that. This isn't me just taking a trade off because it's green. That shit doesn't work. It doesn't work. With no sky to hold 'em, that world ain't one I wanna live in, girl. There's the sun, there's the moon, there's $1,000,000 skyline views, and there's Rocky Mountain High. Well, we're up 360. I don't know. I would love to have a great day, but this market is giving us little rallies, but they're just getting sold. They're getting sold. Maybe this sets up a little bit better in an hour and a half, maybe. Like, it's giving us the pushes into the highs, but they're just getting faded. We saw that here. Like, I was in a long here, ran to the highs, faded on me. Long here, ran to the kind of to the highs, faded on me. So like we gotta get some type of follow through, right? It's not depressing. I love this country. I love this music. then there's you. You don't care about win rate, you just care about make money and done. Yeah, but just because you're green, do you just take the profit? And then because you're green, you just take the profit and you're like, okay, I'm done. Yeah. Yeah, look, I mean, this still has potential to run. It's just, look, that's the trade we've been trying to nail this entire stream. It's just, I'm gotta go break even on that bitch, like, as soon as possible. And if we get stopped and it runs, it is what it is. I really do prefer to go break even on trades as soon as possible, even if it leaves without me, you know? We can take that off now, I guess. Yeah, I wanted to have a big $1,000 or $2,000 day, and we would have if this thing just didn't shit out every time it got a nice little run to the highs. I still think there's a potential run up through 900 into the close. I really do. I really do. Sell badness just came in? What does that mean? What does badness just came in mean? What in the world does that mean? Lows at 56. Oh, bad news? What bad news? Sounds like a damn good time. Ooh, I kind of like that reaction on 68. It's crazy. This was crazy here. This was some shit right here. As soon as we were in a long from here, as soon as I saw that, I covered it while we were a couple points up, and I just went break even. I wanted nothing. Wanted no part of it, really.
Been tearing up this blacktop road, putting miles on a broke down van, counting miles till I get home.
Oh, you're talking about this?
Cross the border to the Lone Star State, came all the way from Macon, Georgia. Can't say that I plan to stay, but that woman sure could change my mind when she look at me like, hey baby, come over here. Don't tell me what I want.
That's something to look at, I guess, but trend lines are probably the last thing I look at. I don't really look, you know what I mean? I definitely don't use them much, but yeah, that's something to look at. Current low's 56. I really want to catch a nice little rally into the close, a bullish rally into the close. Hold me down. Yeah. Push it in on the lows. We gotta get a break at 50s here. Dude, pretty major support at 30s. I even held, I guess the overnight move was 30s support. If we're gonna hold anything, it'll be 30. Or this area. What's this bounce? 70 trying to bounce. Okay, does this pop 70s here? You're so close to these lows. I think I would much rather us sweep the lows here. Like 60s. Catching a bid, 60s. Reclaiming 70. Trying to reclaim 70.
Every time I leave your house, I take one more look back.
70s.
Well, the highway's in my veins, but you'll
Just get a bounce off the 60s here.
don't know where it'll take me, but please don't fall apart. 'Cause there's some things that don't change, like the red letters in the scripture. There's some
Yeah, daily loss limit. Sorry about that, man. That sucks.
sunshines on the picture.
That sucks.
Those guarantees
That ain't no
what's
fun.
meant to be. Always go together like hearts and sleeves, wild and free. You and me in Texas forever. Where we grew up, family love is forever in my bones. Fort Worth nights, your blue eyes will always be my home. There's some things that don't change, like the red letters.
Yo, okay, brother. I appreciate you. Have sent them to you. All right, I'll check the Discord out later.
When the sun shines on the picture, those guarantees what's meant to be. Always go together like hearts and sleeves.
Fred Pest Combine had a bad read and got lost. Yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. That's no fun. Not on a Friday, you know. Man, I'm really deciding whether I want to try this market off this low. I'm still looking for like a power hour rally. I wouldn't be opposed to it. It's just, do I think this low holds is the question, really. Woo. Boy, oh boy, you proved me wrong. You proved me wrong. Don't fade it! 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 What's up, Discipline? How you doing, man? All right, I'm in long. I'm gonna stop it out at 50. Still looking for reclaim 800s and a possible run into high day. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Stop on the, I guess the stop would be a break into new lows. I'd stop it out. Just try to position myself for a potential end-of-day run-up into new highs. We'll see. I might get fucking ran auto. Let's spit down to the 60. Jesus. That just spit down to the 60s. Might get ran here. Might get ran here. Yes, we got ran. Tough. That shit happened so quick, didn't it? Okay, I'll look in the 40s, 30s. I'll wait. Don't fight the trend, dude. What do you mean? Don't fight the trend? Good God, y'all are silly. This really isn't fighting the trend. This is trying to get long with the trend, is what it is. And I'm gonna try it a couple times. This is how I want to trade it. I'm long again, off 50s. This is how I like to do it here. If I see upside potential, I want to try to get in with tight stops. You guys might see my shit get ran a couple times. It's very normal when you're trying to catch very low entries with very tight stops. Like, this is the tick chart. Like, we're gonna see, you know what I mean? It's not super uncommon to see me get taken out a couple times before I get the position that runs. That's just how it is. That's just how it is sometimes. Try to snipe the entry with very, very tight risk, and sometimes you'll get stopped out and have to look to get back in. Maru. Gotta pop 80s here. Got to. I kind of want to add here 70s. Yeah, I'm going to if I can. I added. Let's see this low hold. Stops are at the low. Maru. Need to reclaim 80s. Logging into World War III? Yeah. Pretty much. Pretty much. No, I'm just trying to follow the sentiment, the trend a little bit. Look in to catch the low and ride it back to high day, possibly. But something needs to hold at some point. First half of the day, no sellers. Second half of the day, only sellers. Seems like. First half of the day, no sellers. Second half of the day, no buyers. Needs to hold 60 here.
Chasing Hollywood dreams. Sure, you sound pretty, but I don't think anybody else is gonna listen to you. If you don't mind, I'm gonna.
Where are the buyers stepping in at 60? Nowhere. Nowhere. No buyers stepping into it yet. 60s, no buyers. Little wick off 61, maybe holds.
Hey Johnny Walker, what you do in California? Don't you know where you come from? Went a real long way from where your family stays, but look at everything you've done. So don't mind me, I'm just calling to see that you am from out the rain. And if you want me to, I'll be there in a few. I'm just a couple states away. So tell me what you gonna do.
Gotta break out through 70s, man. Got to. Slow price action off these lows. Slow price action off these lows. Trying to break 70. You need this to because the volume extend into the 80s, 90s, 800s, and start making some moves to the upside. It's getting about that time. 2 hours still market close, give or take. Finally, bro, wait till 740s at least. I will say I love the advice y'all give me. I really need it. I absolutely love the advice y'all give me. It's much needed. Alright, top of the 80s. 80s, 90s. This might run it. This might run 800s here. Right. Break even. Like I said, I want to get break even as soon as possible. Some of these moves just need to hold, right? I'm looking for. I'm kind of a big ask. Like I'm actually looking for this to reclaim 800s. So, I mean, if I don't want to see too much retracement off of it. This should be our leg, and we should get 800s here, and I think we will. We've seen a nice run up here. Probably see 800s here. 96 is the high. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad! Motherfucker! This looks good. Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Hold something, you smuck. Yeah, hopefully this is the move here. I think so. Nice pressure on 90s. Gotta bleed through 800s. Look at the wick on the hourly being left. This is kind of the idea, yeah. Hourly support here, 30s, 40s. Touch and go. 800s popping. Fucking nice. I want to see it pop through 800s. This looks good. Look how tight this range is here. Bid pushing 800s. Bid pushing 800s. Surely we see 800s break. So far, so good. Once again, if this market continues to fuck me and pull back another 40 points, I'm serious this time. I will jump off the banister. I will jump off the banister. Like, at some point, we need to see some type of move higher without coming back to my fucking entry, you know? I think we have a good trade, though. I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm targeting high a day here. So, I mean, this is a no-joke trade. This is, I mean, we're looking for a $2,000 trade here. If I hold all of it, which I want to. I want to. Step 1 is pop above 800s. Gotta pop above 800s here. All right, I'm gonna be a little patient. Just be patient. It's just the case of if this market can show some type of continuation, W trade. If not, jumping off the banister. All right, I'm gonna go walk around a little bit and take a breather. Y'all watch it for me, okay?
This is the first time we ever wrote together.
First time
and
we met.
First time we met. I was following you for a long time. And well, I thought of the word indigo in the car ride on the way.
I thought it was kind of a dumb idea at first.
And he thought it was a dumb idea. And then
But it came to this, so.
It came to this, and you added some stick guitar, and it was super fun. And the meaning of it is probably my favorite one. So, should we do it?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, I took a breather. I took a breather, man. A little breather. I'm back. Holy hell. Sorry about that. We're back. A little breather.
I know you're worried at night. I won't find my way. And I'm tired of lying to myself just to get through each day. My head says I should have never left.
We're not holding 90s. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, this is just one of those days everything's getting break even. Everything's just a fucking break even trade today. It's so frustrating. Everything's break even today. Everything. Every single trade is break even today. And beautiful pop 800 just can't even hold 20 points. So frustrating. Oh well. Oh well, man. Well, I mean, what can I do? That's so disappointing.
Gave up a piece of my heart, then I turned around.
740's coming.
Oh, my head's in the clouds, but I don't feel close to the sun.
No, I still think I'm cooking. I hate how we retrace all the time, though. What are you doing? You dumb. What is this guy doing? This guy thinks he's hot shit. What the fuck are you doing here? I'm about to pressure you, boy. Do something. I hate when they do that shit. Like, I hate when they do that shit, man. Oh, he cooked me. I don't know what to do. I can't move my knight. He's got me in check. Son of a bitch. I hate when they do that, bro. What country is this guy from? Fucking Indians. Alright. How do I resign, man? Get me out of this shit. What an asshole. How do I get out of this? Man, fuck that. I hate aggressive chess players. Okay, chat. I mean, aim for the stars. Get nothing, I guess today is what it is. I mean, I'm just trying to get long in a market that I think has great potential to run up into the close, and unfortunately, I just keep getting stopped out break even. I guess it is a see profit, take profit day, right? It's a nice move. I hate when they bring the queen out and do that shit and take the rook and get behind. I hate that. Dude, if I win this trade, I'll go full spread eagle on the Pilates machine. Here's an idea, market. For once, go up a couple points and don't come back to my entry. Can you do that? Challenge of the day. New challenge. Go up away from my entry and don't come back and stop me out for once. New challenge. I don't think it can. It's gonna be another stop out. If it's another stop out, it's not the type of day I want to see, and I have to hang it up. Boom. Leg up. Under 800. Find a new low here. Don't just fucking lose this move. Find a new low here. Move through 810, 820. Find a new low here. Move through 800s. That's the objective here. Hold a fucking higher low. Take 800s out. Don't just fucking lose it. Don't just lose the move. For the love of God. Don't just lose the move for once. Jeez. I mean, good God. This fucking looks horrible. This thing is just so turd. It's a turd. Alright, I apologize. Apologize for talking bad. I apologize for talking bad. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. Nah, dude, Israel's finna pump. Israel's finna pump. Israel's going to pump. Complaining does help, Loki. I like to bitch a little bit. It does help sometimes. Bitching and bitching does help sometimes. It really does. Try it for once. It does.
Tonight we ask, who is General Al-Din? According to Wadian propaganda, Hafez al-Din.
What country is he playing in this movie? Kazakhstan, or is that Bruno, Borat?
Who died in childbirth. The only son of the savage dictator Omar al-Din, he gained power at the age of 7. Eccentric and with unlimited oil wealth, he recently hosted his own Olympic Games. At which he won 14 gold medals. Often described as ignorant, he changed over 300 Wadian words to Al-Din, including the words positive and negative, causing mass confusion.
Do you want the Aladdin news or the Aladdin news?
The Aladdin news?
You are HIV
Aladdin?
Aladdin?
I'm trusting that you can give me something here, market, without pulling back 30 points. I know that's a big ask. I know that's a big ask. I know it is. I wouldn't ask it of you if I didn't think you could do it, though. I wouldn't ask it of you if I didn't think you could do it. I wouldn't. Although I think I'm going to be proven wrong once again because this market is just so dog shit. Yep, once again I'm proven wrong, and we'll take nothing. We will absolutely take nothing out of the trade here. We will absolutely take nothing out of the trade here and watch this thing run another $600 without taking a fucking penny out of this trade, and we will be getting stopped break even. I mean, that's wonderful. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. We will watch this run another $600 and take fucking zero from it. I don't know if I'm more mad at the market or myself. That's Oh my fucking goodness. I've legit gotten longs that have ran 700 points and came back down and break even, and I could be up $2,000 fucking dollars right now if I just take the fucking trade off. But I just have such high hopes for this piece of shit. That's wonderful. That's wonderful, man. This fucking market is something else right now. What a candle? Was that? I mean, that wasn't that bad. It's just unfortunate, man. It's just unfortunate. Giving this market a couple tries, and I just keeps taking me out. It's giving me runs, but it keeps taking me out. Why the fuck do I want to get back in again? I really shouldn't. All right, I'm trying to get one last time. If this doesn't work, I'm hanging it up on the day. If this one doesn't work, I'm done for the day. Odds are I'll probably lose this because I've pretty much had 5 perfect trades that have ran 30, 40 points that I haven't taken profits on. Last time I'm trying it. Last time I'm trying it. It's not unfortunate you just don't know how to take profit. You're right, buddy. You are right. Hope people's... Oh my god. Look at y'all. Best traders in here. Are I'll likely lose the trade that I finally don't get the move on. Tough. Tough. I think we get ran here. I think we get ran here. Not catching any buyers. Not catching any buyers.
Today was one of those days. It drags too long and it's too late for me. Sometimes I get to wondering why I chose to live this.
It'd be a miracle, right? A miracle. Told you before, you're a genius. You're a genius trader. I should have listened to you.
Can't blame you for playing these games, just driving you insane the way I'm treating myself. It's about time you made up your mind. Is it you and I, or is
All right,
it
2 hours so close. A little less.
we both need some help. This ain't no goodbye. You'll
Probably get
come
ran here.
crawling back when you've had your fill. I get a call in the night at 12:30. 3 months later, I should fuck myself. I keep on climbing. I just can't seem to get over this hill. Me and dark liquor, yeah, we made a deal.
Yeah, statistically, that was bound to happen, right? 5 break-even trades. Finally, on the sixth one, we actually take my fucking stop. Should have given up on this market after a couple attempts that just didn't run. We usually do on the weekends? Not much, man. Just hang out. I don't usually do much. I don't really have any hobbies or anything. Frustrating. Like 5 longs with great entries that ran into profit, heavy into profit, that I just didn't take off. Kept thinking we could maybe break to the upside, never did. A little deeper into support on the hourly. If 40s doesn't hold, this market could fade off hard.
I've got a mortgage due and an empty bed to make. And girl, it's funny to me how much I hate your memory, but unlike you, it'll always be with me.
Did we see it under 700 if 730 doesn't hold? Maybe.
No matter how bad
Red week for me, worst of the worst. Yeah, sorry about that, brother.
smoking cigarettes again, but I only light a few 'cause you're not here to tell me I
There is a bounce off support. 20 points.
And girl, I wish I could say whiskey helps drown the pain, but it only helps to drive me insane. Every time I hear your name, baby, I bet you're happy now. Probably found you someone new who's got his life all figured out. As for me, I stay locked up in this.
I mean, we haven't caught a bid up until this point. 30s is hourly support. Still really not seeing any buyers.
Girl, I thought it was love. Went to bed with a headache tonight, 'cause I've got a mortgage due and no one laying by my side. I never knew a king-size bed would get so cold when the king is down.
Might break 30s here.
And he is all alone. Lord knows I need a queen to hold. Baby, I bet you're happy now. Probably found you someone new who's got his life all figured out. As for me, I stay locked up in
Okay, 30s coming down.
writing songs
Breaking support on the hourly. Do we see it under 700?
about us.
Wow.
Girl, I thought it was love.
Wow.
Girl, I knew it was
Wow. Wow, deep pullback. Do you see it under 700?
Guess I didn't know what love was.
Do we see it under 700? Is gold running up off of this? I feel like gold's still flat. Wow, gold is curling. Okay, maybe under 700. Might look for a bid in the 680s. 700 is getting a really nice bounce. Do I want to join that? Do I trust that? Is that VWAP? No, I'm gonna wait. I rinse it. Yeah, I think we already knew that though. I still want to try to get into this rally. I think I'll wait for manipulation under 700 if I can get it. Try one more time.
Look at you from across the room.
One more time, then we really do gotta hang it up.
Plan for it to happen.
I really want to see manipulate under 700 first. Like a break and reclaim would be nice. A break and reclaim, and then in hindsight, hopefully this range can come up and get filled. Like a break into the 680s, 670s.
Everybody's got something to say.
Break and retest would be awesome.
But we don't need to hear what they're thinking.
Really want to see it under 700.
Our own thing going on. Right or wrong, we know what we want. Just drown it out, turn it off, just let them talk.
Can we take out 700?
They're gonna wonder why my car's in your driveway.
I really don't want to touch it until we take 700 out for reversal. I really want to start hitting the bid 680s, 670s to see if this catches. Then reclaim 700s. We have support here, 680s. Probably stop at 660s maybe. I want to see it under 700 first though. Can we please just take 700 out? I feel like the bouncing here is pointless. Do we hold 700 flat? I really don't want to take a long off 700 flat. I really don't. Is that about where VWAP was though? Yeah, 700s. Decent wick on the 15. I don't want to take it off 700. It's pretty much VWAP though. When it's coming to an end, and you know without a doubt, took these highs 730. You'll never have again. Ain't it tragic how love goes for the one that is deceived? Baby, don't you be so cruel. Have a little mercy on a fool who's trying to believe. Alright, I'm long. I'm stopping out under 700s. This is my last attempt trying to trade this market long. My last attempt. See how fast I get fucking ran right here. Should just wick 10 points lower as soon as I get long. That's awesome. Beautiful entry, right? Beautiful. I think we're about to get stop ran in under a minute. Thought you were gonna wait. I mean, I was going to, but it broke into new highs and it was starting to look good. Maybe in hindsight I should have. I didn't really expect a 20-point pullback off the highs. Doesn't look great though. Doesn't look great. Mm, 700, low 700s getting broken back into. This looks tough right now. Wow. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if we don't hold 700s, we're back into this imbalance here, and that just doesn't look good at all. Just top ticked a fucking long entry on that. I'll have to cut myself off before I hit max loss limit after this sell if I take it. Just had a bad read on this. Yeah, this is, I think this is like the first red day of the week if this trade didn't work out. Tough market. Had a bad read on this. Just kept trying it all the way down. We had a complete sentiment shift like during the middle of the day. It was all buying and now it's all selling. Total opposite. Just no continuation. None of these dips have been getting caught back up. Make or break right here. Make or break. Does everybody else have the same VWAP as me? 90s? Yeah, VWAP is accurate. We'll see. We'll see if Inky wants to respect VWAP. Fucking entries need to get way better though. Way better entries. Need to. Alright, man. I'm gonna go to the restroom. Yeah, rough day, rough read on it. We'll see. Oh, I haven't heard the ring yet, so I guess we're still okay. No reason at all for that trade. Okay, Emmanuel. All right, brother. See ya.